Hi, this is How To's. This is the video number 16 of the MS Word series. In this video we are going to see how you can track changes and add comments in MS Word. Tracking changes and leaving comments are one of the most important tools when working collaboratively in a document. So, let's see how we can do this. When many people are making edits in a single document, it is difficult to know what changes have been done. By using this Track Changes and Review tab, you can see all the changes that are being done in the document. Wherever there is a change done, that row is highlighted with red. You can simply click on this to see what change has been done and right-click on it to accept or reject. You can also accept or reject all changes in bulk using this. Let's say you want someone to review what you have written here and want to highlight it to that person when he sees this sentence. You can do that by selecting the sentence and then clicking on New Comment, add the details, and it is done. Other person can also reply to this comment by clicking here. So, this is how you can track changes and add comments in Word. Thank you. Hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video.